Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm back with a cool and yummy recipe that may look fancy, but it's too easy and quick to make. So let's get started. This dessert is sort of a pie and it calls for a juicy, tender and ripe fruit. I'm using pitted cherries here. On a baking dish, add the cherries, powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. Coat it nicely and keep it aside. A pinch of salt in any dessert just elevates the taste and does the magic. Now let's make the crumble topping. I love this yummy buttery almond cookie flavor crust. Take 2 heaped tablespoons of all-purpose flour, to which add a tablespoon of powdered sugar and a pinch of salt. Yes, again. Add a tablespoon of cold butter, a pinch of baking powder and start mixing. Now add a teaspoon of oil. If you want, you may also add nuts to this mixture and vanilla essence. Keep on mixing until you get a crumbly texture. Add oil if only needed. The mixture should clump when squeezed but remains moistly dry, so be mindful of the amount of liquid you use. I am making a small pie here. Do double the quantity as per your need and taste. Remember to balance the sweetness of the filling and the crumble topping. Now it's time to assemble. Sprinkle the crumble mixture on top and add some nuts if you like. Bake it in a preheated oven until top is beautifully browned and syrup bubbles from the side. I have made it in my air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for around 20 minutes. And there you have it. A delicious yummy dessert is ready in no time. Let it cool and enjoy it with vanilla ice cream. Do subscribe my channel for more such recipes. Thank you for watching.